Chinese automakers continue their collaboration with the Canadian government. Owners of private Canadian dealerships have already traveled to China to visit auto giant Chery to review its lineup, study its products, and develop business plans for selling cars in Canada. Another recent development is that BYD plans to expand Canada's existing charging infrastructure and equip it with its super-fast charging stations capable of fully charging a car in 5 minutes. Subscribe to our channel. We're keeping up with all the news, and you'll be the first to know about new products. Have you ever imagined a Chinese SUV producing more than 1,000 horsepower? Not long ago, that idea would have sounded impossible. Chinese automakers were mostly known for building affordable family cars, not vehicles capable of competing with the world's most legendary off-road machines. But the automotive industry is changing faster than anyone expected. Geely has officially unveiled the all-new Galaxy Cruiser 700, a powerful plug-in hybrid SUV that is already attracting attention around the world. And after looking at what this vehicle offers, it's easy to understand why. This isn't just another family SUV. It's Geely's bold attempt to challenge legendary names like the Toyota Land Cruiser, the Land Rover Defender, and other premium off-road vehicles that have dominated this segment for decades. At first glance, the Cruiser 700 looks exactly like a serious adventure vehicle. It has a muscular body, high ground clearance, large off-road tires, and rugged styling that immediately suggests it's built to leave the pavement behind. But underneath that traditional design is something completely different. Instead of relying on a large gasoline engine alone, Geely combines a turbocharged engine with multiple electric motors to create an astonishing amount of power. According to the company, the system produces up to 113 horsepower. That's more power than many modern supercars. Of course, horsepower alone doesn't make a great SUV. The real question is whether all that technology can actually perform in real-world conditions. Geely says the Cruiser 700 was designed to handle highways, mountain roads, deep mud, snow, and demanding off-road terrain. Its intelligent all-wheel drive system constantly adjusts power between the wheels to maximize traction in changing conditions. The hybrid powertrain also brings another important advantage. Unlike a fully electric SUV, drivers won't have to worry about finding a charging station every few hundred kilometers. Long-distance travel becomes much easier while still benefiting from electric power and improved fuel efficiency. For many Canadian drivers, that combination could be especially attractive. Canada is a country of long highways, remote destinations, and harsh winters. A powerful plug-in hybrid could offer the best balance between performance, range, and everyday practicality. Another interesting detail is Geely's strategy. The company is no longer trying to compete only by offering lower prices. Instead, it's moving directly into the premium segment, competing with brands that have spent decades building their reputations. Inside the Cruiser 700, drivers can expect a large digital instrument cluster, a massive central touchscreen, premium materials, advanced driver assistance systems, and the latest intelligent software developed by Geely. The cabin is clearly designed to compete with luxury SUVs rather than budget vehicles. And that's something we've been seeing more and more from Chinese automakers. They're investing billions of dollars into engineering, battery technology, artificial intelligence, and software development. The goal is no longer to build the cheapest vehicle. The goal is to build one of the best. Naturally, one important question remains. Will the Galaxy Cruiser 700 ever come to Canada? At the moment, Geely hasn't announced any official plans to launch this model in the Canadian market. However, Chinese manufacturers continue expanding around the world faster than ever before, and Canada is becoming an increasingly important market for future growth. If Geely eventually decides to enter Canada, The Cruiser 700 could become one of its flagship products. Still, the biggest challenge won't be horsepower or technology. It will be earning the trust of Canadian buyers. For years, many people associated Chinese vehicles with lower quality. Today, that perception is changing rapidly. Every new flagship model demonstrates just how quickly Chinese manufacturers are catching up with, and in some areas even challenging, established global brands. On paper, the Galaxy Cruiser 700 looks incredibly impressive. More than 1,000 horsepower, advanced hybrid technology, premium comfort, intelligent driving systems, and serious off-road capability make it one of the most exciting Chinese SUVs introduced this year. Now, we simply have to wait and see whether it can deliver on those promises once independent testing begins, because impressive specifications are only the beginning. Real success is earned on the road. So, here's my question for you. If the Geely Galaxy Cruiser 700 arrived in Canada at a significantly lower price than a Toyota Land Cruiser or a Land Rover Defender, would you seriously consider buying one? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive news from Canada.